Guys, it's time to learn about babies.
I hope lunchtime comes soon.
I need to get out of class. I guess I'll pull the fire alarm.
What, Mike?
I want to go to the bathroom.
Fine. Then go, but hurry back, we have a quiz soon. Okay guys, so when babies are first born they look like potatoes.
Oh gosh, not this again. I still can't believe I let Katie sign me up for this.
When do we get to the part where she fakes a medical emergency like she does every year?
Okay, now to pull the fire alarm.
Guys, what's that noise? Guys, it's the fire alarm. Please line up in a single file line.
Can we please go home now that the fire alarm went off?
Yeah, I feel like we since we are basically adults.
Guys, no, you can't go home. We have to account of all the students just in case. Where is Mike? He asked to use the bathroom few minutes ago.
We found out that a student pulled the fire alarm. Were you the teacher?
Yes, I am. Who exactly was that student?
I think his name was Mike.
Oh, that's it. He is so expelled. I will send him to the principal's office right away. Oh, Mike, how dare you pull the fire alarm when there wasn't any fires? Go to the principal's office now.
Wow, 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 wow.
Mike, you are so expelled. Go home right now.
When he got home,
Mike, I can't believe you got expelled for pulling a fire alarm when there wasn't an actual fire. You were so grounded for 109,934 days.
I guess I'll die now.